What is up, guys? It's your boy Levi Harvey back again with a different type of video. And what I have in this package right now is something that I've been waiting for quite a while. I've waited for 5 days for this actually, and it just finally came, so we're gonna unbox this right now. We got our unboxing knife. Shout out to the Balisong. Alright, so this is what I ordered. It is the T&G TG113 Bluetooth speaker. I got this in the red color. So far it is nicely wrapped, bubble wrapped all around the package, which is always a good sign. Some people, they actually always get mad about Lazada sellers always using too much bubble wrap. I've seen and watched the videos of people complaining, oh, you guys use too much bubble wrap when you're delivering something. I don't really see how that's an issue. It's actually a good thing because it actually protects the package really well. So they give a note. So it's a wireless speaker. It's compatible with, it is compatible with an iPad, iPhone, MP3, PC. The wireless, word mark, blah blah blah. You guys can read that right there. In front, portable wireless speaker. A picture of the speaker itself. It is waterproof. No, not really waterproof. I'll say splash proof. On the side, we got the red one. I did want to buy the camouflaged one, but I thought the red just looked really smart. Portable wireless speaker. It is wireless. Duh. Playing time 3 to 4 hours. Play USB storage devices because it has a micro memory card slot for this, and you can also, it actually also has a radio in it. Splash proof. So this is splash proof, okay? It is not waterproof. You cannot dip this into the pool. It is only splash proof, so if you're taking this out in the rain, no problem. With mic for hands-free phone call function. Okay, there we go. As you can see here, made in China, TG113. Now, I did hear that this is supposed to be a super bass speaker, but we have yet to see or to hear that. So let's, so far the condition of the box, it's kind of crumpled, but yeah, kind of crumpled. So let's open it this way, right? It's heavy. Now let's see what we have in here. You don't need a knife, okay? Whoa. Oh, I say goodness in here. Alright, oh goody. What is this? Okay, so we have the instruction manual. Let's get the speaker out first. Nice. Okay. We got the speaker, which I cannot read at all. Let's try and read it. TG113. Oh, okay. There's, okay. TG113 user manual. Okay guys, so I moved to a new unboxing table. This is a much better unboxing table. The other one a while ago was just getting too messy. All of the trash was there, the bubble wrap, the plastic, the Lazada package, and the knife was there. So I decided to move to a clean new unboxing table. What are the contents inside the box? Well, first and foremost, you get the Bluetooth speaker, the T&G TG113 Bluetooth speaker. You get your micro USB charging cable to charge up the speaker, and you get your 3.5mm auxiliary wire for the speaker. You can connect this to your computer, your phone, or whichever device that you have that doesn't have Bluetooth. You can use this and connect it from the speaker to that device. And you get the T&G TG113 user manual. And that is the contents inside the box. And of course, you have the box itself. So I'll put that right here. So, the T&G TG113 super bass speaker. Now let's talk about the main specifications of this Bluetooth speaker. It is using Bluetooth version 4.2. The working distance of this speaker is 10 meters. The battery is a 1200 milliamp hour battery. And the main or the normal volume playing time. So if you're playing this at 50% volume, the company claims that you could get 3 hours out of this. Everything else, it's gonna get a little bit more detailed if I actually read this whole paper of instructions to you. Okay, you get 2 front-facing speakers, which is one right here and one at the bottom. Right at the back of this is actually face radiator at the back. So if you face it like this to you, that's where you're gonna get the best effect of the speaker. If you face it at the back, you could still hear something, but not as loud as the front. Because right here at the back, right here I believe is actually the bass radiator. It has this cylindrical shape to it. This actually looks like the UE Hum 3. It really feels like this weird rugged cloth material. Here you got your T&G symbol. This feels like plastic. It doesn't feel like it's metal. I think it's plastic. And nothing on the back. You get your nice rubber loop here. You can attach this on, I don't know, on your belt, I guess. You just have to get the hook, and you can attach it to your belt. It is fairly heavy, so it might be uncomfortable if you attach this to your belt, but it is there for something. And you get this rubber flap right here underneath this rubber flap. You get all of your ports. Let's go through all of them. Right up top here, you get your memory card slot right there, and right below that you get your USB port for this, or you can connect a USB through here. Right beside it you get your 3.5mm auxiliary port right here, so you can connect this in there. You get your micro USB port right there for charging, and you also get your LED indicator right there. I thought that this was a reset button. At first you see that small little dot there. I thought that was a reset button, but it is a charging light indicator. This, if you actually charge the speaker, this small little dot here should light up red. All of these ports are protected by this very nice rubber flap here. Up top you got your volume down and volume up button. You get your play and pause and answer call. You get your mode button right here and your power on button right here. Here is your LED indicator, and right here is your mic. This speaker is splash proof, okay? You could see it in the box. Where is it? Yeah, there you go. Splash proof. You could bring this out in the rain, nothing will harm the speaker. You could bring this in the shower with you, just don't dunk it in any pails of water. You could bring this in the shower with you and it will be okay. So powering this on, you have to hold this until it makes that JBL startup tone. You see that blue light? There you go.
Bluetooth mode.
That's the sound of the JBL speakers. So it kind of copied the JBL start up and switch off tone. So if you switch this off, same sound as the JBL speaker. Now let's go ahead and play some music and see if this is really a super bass speaker. Okay, so TG113 is now connected. So the speaker is on 50%. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on 100% and let's see what the bass sounds like. If it's gonna give me that vibration in my chest, then that's really good. Now let's go ahead and play the same track and let's see what the bass sounds like. So, what are my thoughts on this? You could definitely feel that physical bass in your chest at 100% volume. But the good thing about this bass is it does not distort the sound in any way. Most speakers, when you put them at 100% volume and the bass just goes boom, 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 it just destroys the music. It distorts. But this, it does not distort the sound in any way. So that is very good. 100% volume, that bass just, you can feel it in your chest. Very good product by T&G. I highly recommend this to anyone who is looking for a bass Bluetooth speaker but is on a budget. This on Lazada, I bought it for 257 pesos, which is in US dollars. It's actually really good for its price. This is actually a very, very nice speaker. It doesn't feel its price. It feels way more expensive than its price. Like, the build quality is amazing. The sound quality is spot on. The looks, it really looks like that Boom 3. Wow. T&G, you impressed me a lot. But the one thing that really shocked me the most was the bass. The bass on this is unbelievable. At 50% volume, you hear the bass, but it's not physical. It doesn't go into your chest or anything, but you hear that bass and everything sounds nice and clean. At 100% volume, whew, the bass goes into your chest. You can really, really feel that thumping bass, but it doesn't distort the sound, which is very good. So yeah, this is the T&G Bluetooth speaker. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Smash that subscribe button. We are on the road to 300 subs. I only need 2 more subscribers and I'm already at 300 subscribers. And yeah, you guys wait till my next vlog. It should be coming out tomorrow, and I'll see you guys in the next one. This is Levi. Peace.